Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a cranberry orange cake, and this is the best pound cake to make on Christmas Day, and I just wanted to show you how I make it. If you guys are ready, let's get started. So to get started with this recipe, I'm prepping my orange peels, and I'm just going to, dice them into smaller pieces. And after that, we are going to go ahead and set them aside, and then we are going to move on to the baking part. So to my bowl, I'm adding 1.5 sticks of butter. This is room temperature butter. So we are going to go ahead and mix it for about a minute. And the next ingredient that we are adding is going to be our granular sugar, which is about 3/4 of a cup. And over here, guys, I'm just adding in slowly while mixing. After mixing for a while, again, you want to go ahead and add in your 4 eggs, and this is going to be done gradually as well. And mix it for a little bit, and then you can go ahead and mix it with your spatula. After mixing everything with our spatula, we are going to go ahead and add in 2 cups and a 3/4 cup of regular flour, all-purpose flour if you have some. And then I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and continue sifting. After sifting, you want to go ahead and mix it for a few minutes, and then we are going to go ahead and add in a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract and a 1/4 cup of orange juice, and continue mixing. So over here, I'm putting in my last ingredients, which are my orange peels and my cranberries. So I added 1 cup of cranberry and 2 tablespoons of orange peels, and you want to go ahead and mix them together. After mixing everything, we are going to go ahead and put them into our baking pan, and this is my 9-inch baking pan. So I went ahead and sprayed it with baking spray, and then after that we just went ahead and pour everything in the pan. So the baking time for this cake is at 350 Fahrenheit, and you can bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes. And you can always check your cake at 30-minute mark, and if it's not ready, you can always add an additional 5 to 10 minutes. And for an extra tip, if you feel like your cake is getting too brown, you can always use parchment paper to cover it so that we can cook fully, and that's one of the tips that I use. So right over here, guys, I'm just letting my cake cool down, and we are going to go ahead and start decorating this cake. And after it cooled down, this is how it looks like. It looks so lovely. It was so good, guys. So now we're gonna make the icing. So for the icing, I have 1 cup of icing powder, and I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of orange juice, and I gradually continued mixing everything together until it was mixed like that. So for everything that I used, I am going to leave them in the description below. So the last thing that we are doing is glazing our cake, and after glazing, we are going to go ahead and also add our few garnishes, which is our orange peels, as you guys can see. So this is how the cake looks like. Guys, this cake was so good. I hope you guys can make it with your family, because this is a Christmas cake, a cranberry orange cake. And thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing, and for commenting and showing some love. I just want to say Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.